Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay hold near not working problem on your iPhone. So guys, if the Apple Pay hold near reader not working on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and go to general and then go to software update and check if there is any update available for you. Then you have to simply update your device to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update, you have to simply update it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go back and now you have to scroll it below and go to date and time and fix your date and time from here, or turn on the toggle for set automatically. After this, go back and go to language and region, and from here tap on region and select your country or region correctly, and then go back and now you have to go to VPN and device management, and from here you have to simply make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it. And after this, go back and now you have to go to transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to open your profile and from here go to payment, or you have to go to your wallet, and then you have to simply verify your payment method for one time as well. So guys, verify your payment method, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time, and after this you have to simply restart your device, and then you have to simply sign in your Apple ID again and add your payment method again as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go to support app from here, and from here you can get any kind of support from the Apple team regarding this issue. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the Apple team, and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.